what we want you to do is think about photosynthesis and take a minute or two and just put any kind of terms or ideas that come to your mind when you think of photosynthesis. So we're trying to see, what do you know about photosynthesis? And then over here, what this is showing is that this water that we talked about as being an input for photosynthesis is going to come in during the light reaction and actually be split into oxygen, which is what we need to breathe. And so then that's why the water goes in and oxygen comes out. And then over here, we have the second part of photosynthesis, which is called the Calvin cycle. And it takes place in kind of this light green area over here, which is actually called the stroma. And a stroma is almost akin to the cytoplasm of a cell, but it's the sort of cytoplasm of the chloroplast. And so out here in this area, you have the Calvin cycle taking place. And it's a series of reactions that require energy. And it also requires CO2. So CO2 is going to be converted through a series of reactions, and the outward product is going to be glucose. So you can now see why CO2 is necessary for photosynthesis and why glucose is the product. There we go.
So 224257 is your login.
Kahoot.it and then 224257.
4257.
All right. All right. There we go. All right.
Good. Here we go, guys.
Ready.
So where does the Calvin cycle take place? So the granum, stroma, thylakoid, or the chlorophyll?
Oh, okay. All right. So most of us knew that it was in the stroma, but there was a little bit of confusion. One person thought it was the granum, and then one person thought it was the chlorophyll. Okay. So